Mike Brailsford again, Brailsford Woodworks. Gonna do another little bowl this afternoon. This one is out of Pecan. I'm going to pretty much leave it the same shape that it is. I gotta make it round again, straighten up the tenon so I can put it in my my chuck, and I think this time I'm going to leave the tenon as a foot afterwards. I usually take them off, but I think I'm going to try to leave it this time. I'll just have to, when I turn it over, do a little bit of shaping on the bottom of it. But in the meantime, let's get going. So this bowl has been sitting on the lathe for a few days. I haven't been able to touch it all work week. I'm pretty busy at my day job, but I want to finish it up today. I used some more of the black CA glue to fill some extra cracks. Some people had said, I've seen postings on the internet when people have asked, well, it's the best way to fill a crack, what do I use, and so forth. And some people are like, why do you use cracked wood anyways? Well, I would say, speaking personally, early on, it was hard to put my hands on any wood blanks that I could use for turning. And I kind of had to use what I could get. But also, I would say that the cracks can add a lot of character. And now I'm talking from a guy who, I've got plenty of wood, I've got tons of blanks, I've got 20 acres of my own property. I can cut down any tree I want and have plenty to turn. And now, you know, some of it, I just love the character of it. So, you know, you'll see both for me. Nice clear pieces without a crack in it. And then you'll see other stuff that's got, I would say, more character with lots of cracks. So let's get this one finished. Alright, so I've come up with a nice little pecan bowl with a nice little rim on it. Nothing fancy, pretty straightforward. I'm going to go through and do the sanding now. I'm going to shut it off while I do all that and get it ready to turn around. And when I do put it into the coal jaws, I'm gonna leave the foot on it on this one. I usually take it off, but today I think I'm gonna leave it, just straighten it up and make it look a little nicer. So let's get this finished. So I am going to pause here briefly on my sanding. Let you see that I start my sanding at 60 grit. I don't know where you all start, but I start at 60, and it is by far the most important one. You got to get it right the first time with the first grit, or you will not get it right through the end. If you get all of any tear out, micro tear out, taken care of with the lowest grit, everything else will be cake. You'll get through it very fast, but that first grit is the one you got to take your time on and get it done properly. All right, I'm going to finish this up. So this is what I'm talking about. I'm almost done on this one. You probably can't see it, but right here, there's a tiny bit of scratches. You know, it's the end of maybe some tear out that was there, because this is the end grain right here. That's where you're more likely to get your tear out. So I don't know, probably got another 5-6 minutes, maybe less, to take care of this and get this out. And there's a little bit of a line here, but I'm almost there. So I've got the 400 here, and I'm just about to finish up. So something else I like to do, if I can, if I still have the chips around for it, is to burnish the bowl, which I'm going to try to do right now. Take some of the wood chips and just run them in. Hold it in nice and hard, and it burnishes the wood. See. Oh yeah, that's very nice. So I'm going to add some wax on the inside of the bowl and on part of the outside, and then we'll put it in the cold jaws. About out of wax. I'm going to buy some more. All right, I got it in the cold jaws. I'm ready to finish off. Again, I'm gonna leave the tenon as a foot, so I'll have to do a little bit of a recess on the inside here. I'm gonna transition the foot into the bowl itself and smooth this out a little bit, and then I can finish sanding and all that, and I'll put my brand here in the middle. So Hugh, I'd just like you to know that I'm going to take your advice and go nice and slow on the cold jaws this time, because I grabbed this right here and it'll rip it right off the jaws. So that'll make you happy. good. All right, all I got left is 320 and 400 and the wax. Just finishing up the 400 now. Let's look at this before I put wax on. Looks pretty good. Let's put on the wax. This bowl's done. I love that vein that ended up going through there with the black CA glue. See one on the outside. And the figure in the Pecan is just absolutely beautiful. And this time I left the little foot, kind of like that. I'm gonna take a look at it up here. Oh yeah. That will be nice. All right. Again, I think I am setting the date for my live show as to be Friday the 7th. It's Friday the 7th. Whatever this coming Friday is, I think it's the 7th. And that will be at 7 o'clock p.m. Please be there. I'm going to make it a go. If I can't, I'll let everyone know. And I hope to see you. Thanks for watching.